All right, this is the elevator at the Quality Inn, Cornhusker, which used to be...
Right down. Used to be what?
Used to be Baymont.
Oh, Baymont Inn and Suites?
And then Holiday Inn Express in Lincoln, Nebraska. This elevator probably installed 2003 or 2008. This is a ThyssenKrupp with Aurora fixtures. So here we go. Let's see, watch come down. Oh, here it comes. And here it is. Quick, run it to the elevator.
Probably pretty slow.
This is a very slow elevator.
Okay. Can you do it yourself?
Yep.
Okay. I'll wait right here.
Go to
Right.
door closed, bung works. I like that. Here we go. Motor. Here are two. We're going down to one. ThyssenKrupp trick. Up is yellow, red for down. I think that the expansion date is correct. It's a nice elevator. Let's look at the window. Oh, they have vending machines. There's the guy. This takes forever to load. Okay, we'll be right back. We'll watch the indicator time and cab going down.
Okay, come on.
We'll do the indicator go up and cab going down.
Okay. You want me to come with you?
Yep.
Okay.
Two. Oh, we have to ring the bell.
Mm-hmm.
The up arrow is yellow.
Okay. Okay, come on.
This is a ThyssenKrupp with Atham Aurora fixtures. They're called it. Now motor.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
This is a telescoping holeless hydraulic.
Right.
And see, I already have the ThyssenKrupp fornicator on skyscraper.
Okay. All right.
Alright, Dad, going to press 1, press 2, ring the bell.
1 and then 2?
Yep.
Okay.
See, Dad did a trick.
Okay.
Listen, that door.
Let's head back down.
Let's get a cab view on the way down. There's Dad. Hi.
Hi.
It's a basic ThyssenKrupp motel elevator.
Mm-hmm.
This is kind of like one over the comfort in Hastings.
Mm-hmm.
Aurora buttons.
Lovely now. There we go.
There's your inspection, 2100, stand at the 2,
Okay.
and we'll hurry up. We'll watch the elevator, and there goes the elevator. And there's the elevator car itself, and there it goes. And watch this. See, this is a telescoping holeless hydraulic elevator. Hi. What's your name? Oh, hi, Aiden. Oh, we wish to say Happy Independence Eve or Day.
It's okay, Jeffrey. Come on. It's okay.
The friend, his name is Aiden.
Okay. Okay. And that's it, right?
That's it.
Okay.
Stay tuned for nighttime for Twilight Ride.
Well, we'll have to wait and see.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
It's supposed to storm tonight.
Yep.
Okay?